Have you ever stayed at a hotel?
Or maybe you want to speak English confidently while traveling.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about checking into a hotel and staying as a guest.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about hotels and travel.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use at hotels.
Let's begin. Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Hello,
How can I help you?
I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Emily Johnson.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I found your reservation.
Great.
You'll be staying for 3 nights.
That's correct.
Here is your room key.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
How do you like your room? I like it very much.
That's good to hear.
The room is clean and comfortable.
Excellent.
Does the hotel have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does.
Wonderful.
Do you need anything else?
No, thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
I will. Have you ever had a funny hotel experience?
Yes, I have.
What happened?
I forgot my room number.
Seriously?
Yes.
What did you do?
I went back to the front desk. I had to ask again.
That's funny.
What about you?
I once tried to open the wrong hotel room.
No way.
Yes.
What happened?
Someone opened the door and looked very confused. I was so embarrassed.
I can imagine.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.